How to fix Minecraft mobile shaders not working. So you have the first option to check your shader compatibility. There are going to be shader versions that won't support your mobile version. So if you want to see your version, you can just go ahead to the bottom right corner. And as you can see, my version is 26.33 or something like that. And you can go ahead to wherever you had or downloaded the shaders. In our case, we had it over here, and it should just be available for our version, which is this 0.26.33 version. And once it is, and once we are sure that it's compatible for our version, we can make sure to activate the shader correctly. So you can open the world settings. So go ahead to whichever world you're doing this in and scroll down to the resource packs. Since most shaders are going to be a resource pack, go ahead to your available. If you haven't activated it properly yet, go to your owned, and in our case, it's going to be this one. You just go ahead and press on activate, and it should be in the activate section. So ours should just be activated already. If you can take a look here, the shaders should be active. The textures are all different, and you're gonna have to make sure your vibrant visuals are turned on. You could test them either on or off, but to find the vibrant visuals, you can go ahead into your menu, go ahead into settings, and you're gonna have to scroll down into video in your general. So you have the mode over here, select the quality of your game visuals. So you can choose simple, fancy, vibrant visuals, or ray trace. So you can test whether mode your resource pack works or your shaders work, and usually it's going to be in vibrant visuals. So a shader that imports but makes no visible difference is usually incompatible with the current Bedrock renderer, and reinstalling the same outdated shader will generally not fix it. So you can back up your worlds before clearing Minecraft data or even reinstalling your game. Those are a few things you can keep in mind if your shaders are not working. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.